Hi everyone. The stock market pulled back today on lighter volume in the Nasdaq and in the Russell 2000. We still have some intermediate term and short term oversold conditions, so further pullback should be expected here. Funny that we call today a pullback also with the S&P 500 flat and the Dow Jones Industrial Average slightly up. Once again, this goes into my continuing visual theme of what I can see in my scans: rotation from small caps to Nasdaq stocks to Dow Jones stocks to Russell stocks to Dow Jones stocks to Nasdaq to S&P 500 stocks, and so on and so forth. So as long as we continue to see that, that's a healthy uptrend. Just want to do the meat and potatoes tonight before I get a new long position. Some house cleaning. EJ, failure. That's it. Failed. Heavier volume close. We have losses. We are now going to be completely exiting that position. PJC, that's the second day of a heavy volume reversal. So overall, I am not impressed following our very first day of gains, or actually first 2 day of gains. So PJC is a full sell. That chart pattern looks, it's messed up on the short term, and there's better chart patterns out there to move on to, so might as well just do some house cleaning on that. And PanW, that broke down below the most recent support levels. As you can see, during the consolidation phase, it was just now building. You can see that intraday during this base, while there were some great, overall days where you had intraday reversals and tight trading, still we had 3 or 4 clear days where we reversed off the highs and closed lower. So that led to today's day. So it's a 75% sell. I thought I had losses. I have small gains still, but still it's a 75% sell. Another down day will put it below the 50-day moving average, and then it will be a full sell. Restoration Hardware, everything's fine when you look at this chart, but tonight it is down right now as I speak 2.5% to 3% due to Williams-Sonoma's bad earnings. So RH, since it's showing losses, I don't tolerate losses, as a sell. And also Facebook and First Solar, we've been long these stocks for quite a while and they're not doing much. TSV and MACD looks like it's rolling over overall on both of these. So with it closing below the 10-day moving average, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of 25% of the position. FSLR, I believe, is still a small gain, and so is Facebook, but we got to get out of there. I do believe FSLR will soon turn into a loss, but if I start taking small profits on it now, I don't think I need to set a hard sell stop. It's possible we sell off intraday tomorrow and reverse higher. So that's all that we have to do on the sell side, and I had a few long signals I'm going to pass on. You might like them. I'm not an ARB play guy, so sus breaking out, that seemed very interesting to me. TSEM, I'm going to have this one. Oh, God, I hate all these lines on the bottom, but we had to use them. TSEM is going to, looks like it's forming a handle. If it can consolidate a few days as the market pulls back, I want to put a buy stop ahead of the 1150 level. So we'll see if TSEM can cooperate. Also, MNK retook the 50-day moving average yesterday, followed through today. I would love to see a handle, because short term it's a little extended for me, but I really like that one. IG is going to have huge earnings next year, breakout, but intraday reversal prevents me from going long. So what am I going long? HCLP is bouncing out the 50-day moving average on strong volume. This stock should be in my CanSlim scan, but it's not. It's probably because earnings per share is 71. I combine all the MarketSmith scans, so if it doesn't show up in there, I'm not going to put it in there. But it is in my very key perfect speculator scan, which, of course, as I keep telling everybody, produces the best overall percentage of wins to losses and the biggest winners to losers overall. I mean, just some huge gains are realized with some of these. I mean, this stock was back in here, for instance, last time it did its 50-day moving average thing, and it got up to a 67% gain in just a few months. So HCLP bouncing off 50-day moving average heavy volume. Despite the market possibly pulling back here, this is a 5% position. If we're wrong, we don't risk more than 1.5%. Thank you.